Here now to break all this down, Fox News legal analyst Greg Jarrett. Great to have you on for this, Greg. So first of all, break down what the Supreme Court ruling means.
Look, Article 2 of the Constitution gives the president broad power over foreign affairs and international commerce, and tariffs qualify as both. On top of that, Congress delegated specific authority under the Emergency Powers Act to regulate imports, which obviously includes tariffs, Charlie. But, the majority today ignored all of that and decided to draw this imaginary distinction saying, well, the act doesn't actually use the word tariffs. Well, they're playing word games. They're twisting the plain meaning of that important phrase, regulate imports. That's a comprehensive term, and of course it means tariffs, as well as duties and license fees and limits on imported goods, all of those things. Now, I will say the court did admit that Trump can impose tariffs under other federal statutes. As you point out, he's already doing that. But I think this ruling had less to do about the law and more about political perceptions, not wanting to be seen bowing to Trump. And, it's no coincidence John Roberts wrote the majority opinion as Chief Justice. He does seem to care more about the precious reputation of the court and his own legacy than fidelity to the law.
Well, it's been very fashionable today, and we heard this from the court as well, to just sort of dismiss all tariffs as being taxes. And as taxes, Congress, the argument goes, Congress must initiate and be responsible for levying all taxes. But, the reason the founders wanted that is because taxes are things that are levied on citizens, their bosses back home. That's why the House originates all tax bills, because they wanted the legislature that was closest to the people to be the ones originating taxes. This is something that is levied not by the bosses of Congress, but by foreign entities. I don't really understand why everyone just accepts this notion that taxes are tariffs.
Well, it's an excellent point. And, if you heard the oral arguments, the justices struggled over that and disagreed with each other. But look, the White House will replace or replicate the equivalent tariffs, this time under 3 different trade acts passed by Congress that explicitly give the president tariff authority. They use that word tariffs. For example, under 301, he can impose tariffs to counter anything from unfair trade practices, injury to our domestic industry, balance of payment deficits, to other trade acts empower him to punish countries that discriminate against the U.S. or threaten our national security, which some do. So, Trump's power to use tariffs remains the same. The revenue, said the Secretary of Treasury, will remain unchanged. And as for, the billions in refunds, well, Trump has enormous leverage. He can say to foreign importers, you better waive your refund demand or I'll invoke more severe tariffs. Don't forget, Trump is the consummate negotiator, and he is more than capable of driving hard bargains, Charlie.
Yes, indeed. It will be a fun couple of weeks to watch this play out.